Hi and welcome. I'm Patty, and this channel is here to help tenants get heard. Whether you're dealing with a council, a housing association, or a private landlord, I'm glad you're here. If you've ever made a phone call to your landlord or housing provider and heard nothing back, or been passed from person to person and ended up exactly where you started, you're not alone. Most tenants give up at this point, and housing associations and councils know that. But there's a way to write a complaint letter that's much harder to ignore. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Step 1. A clear subject line. This sounds simple, but a lot of people skip it or write something too vague. State what the complaint is about straight away. Something like formal complaint, unresolved damp and mould issue, and then your address. It sets the tone immediately and tells them you know what you're doing. Step 2. The facts in order. I know when you're frustrated, it's tempting to just pour everything out, but try to keep this chronological and specific. When did the problem start? When did you report it? Who did you speak to? And what did they say? Write it out like a timeline. Dates really do matter here. Step 3. The impact on you. This is the part most tenants leave out, and it's one of the most important. Don't just describe the problem, explain what it's doing to your life, your health, your sleep, your children, your ability to feel comfortable in your own home. This isn't being dramatic, it's evidence, and it matters. Step 4. What you want them to do. Be specific here. Vague requests get vague responses, or no response at all. Tell them exactly what you want. An inspection by a specific date, a repair completed, a written response within 10 working days, and ask them to keep you updated. Don't leave them any wiggle room. Step 5. State it's a formal complaint. This one is crucial, and I can't stress it enough. Use these exact words. I'm making a formal complaint about the above matter. That phrase triggers the official complaints process. Without it, they can treat your letter as a general inquiry and it quietly disappears. Don't let that happen. Step 6. Keep proof. Always send your complaints in writing. Email is perfect and gives you a timestamp. And keep a copy of absolutely everything. Every email, every form confirmation, every photo, every response. If things escalate later, that evidence is everything. Step 7. Write a clear complaint. Keep the language plain and professional. No threats, no insults, just facts laid out clearly. I know it's hard when you're angry and you have every right to be, but a calm, well-structured letter is far harder to dismiss than an angry one. Step 8. Escalate if needed. If they don't respond within their stated time frame, don't just sit and wait. Escalate. First to the senior complaints team, and then, if needed, to the Housing Ombudsman. This is completely free and it's your right, so use it. Step 9. Get the results you deserve. Keep going. I know it can feel exhausting, especially when you've already been ignored once or twice, but you have rights, and a well-written complaint backed by evidence is a powerful thing. Tenants who follow this process do get results. Now, you can write this letter yourself using everything I've covered today, but if you'd like a little support, I've put together a ready-to-use Stage 1 formal complaint template. This also includes the Stage 2 escalation template if you need it. It's written in plain English and fully editable. I'll leave a link below. And I'd love to hear from you. What housing problem are you currently dealing with or have you faced in the past? Drop it in the comments below. You might just help someone else going through the same thing. See you in the next one.